sensibility and practicality define the 2016 Mazda Mazda6. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has fewer than 70,000 miles. It features a standard transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, an outside temperature display, turn signal indicator mirrors, and power windows. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Mazda ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.